Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay gagawa tayo ng kilawin na guso or seaweeds salad. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until... Here are the ingredients. Of course, meron tayo ditong guso or seaweeds. Meron tayo ditong 1 tablespoon na white sugar. Meron tayo ditong luya, pipino, isang sibuyas, meron tayo ditong sibuyas dahon or spring onion, kamatis, 4 na pirasong calamansi, gagamit tayo ng suka or vinegar, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Going to do right now ka-friendship, buhusan lang natin ng kumukulong tubig ang ating guso. Ayan, para mawala yung lansa. So, ayan. At saka maluto na rin yung ating guso. So, ibabad lang natin siya ng at least 2 minutes. Huwag patagalin kasi pag matagal, mawawala yung crunch ng ating seaweeds. So, ayan. Balikan natin siya later. Chef, hanguin na natin sa kumukulong tubig ang ating guso. Lagay natin sa strainer. To remove the excess water. So, ayan. Friendship, ang ating guso, nahugasan na natin siya ng kumukulong tubig. So, what we're going to do next, ita-transfer natin siya sa isang mixing bowl. By the way, ka-friendship, bago ko siya binanlian ng kumukulong tubig, hinugasan ko siya ng 5 beses at saka pinutol-putol ko na siya into bite size. So, ayan. Ito, transfer lang natin. Mainit pa siya ka-friendship. So, ayan, as you can notice, kahit luto na yung ating guso, nandyan pa rin ang kanyang crunch. Oops. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. And what we are going to do next is imimix natin ang lahat ng ating mga ingredients. Sorry. So, ayan. Ang ating spring onion. Ang ating sibuyas. Ayan. Ang ating pipino. Ang ating luya. Kamatis. Ayan. And then, lagyan muna natin ng salt. Ayan. Saka ng pepper. And then, lagyan na rin natin ng suka. Konti lang ka-friendship. Ayan. And then, mag-squeeze tayo ng calamansi. Oops. Ayan ka-friendship. And then, lagyan natin ng white sugar. Todo na natin. Ayan. So, mix lang natin. Ang bango niya ka-friendship. So, ayan. So, tingnan natin kung okay na yung lasa, kung may kulang pa ba or sapat na. Ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. O diba, ang dali lang. Masarap na ano to, appetizer. So, ayan ka-friendship, ready for serving na yung ating seaweed salad or kilawing guso. So, ayan. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating kinilaw na guso or seaweeds salad. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Lagyan natin ng siling haba para may kunting anghang. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating seaweed salad for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember, excellence is not being the best, it's doing your best. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video.